Now moving in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, we are having 180 degree plus theta. Because from here to here it is 180 degree. Okay. And then going downwards, it becomes third quadrant. Now, let a revolving ray OP starts from OX, trace any angle, say angle XOP is equal to theta. Same, OP is the radius. This is O. Or you can say OP is equal to R. Let another ray OP dash starts from OX, trace out angle 180 degree and further moves to angle theta such that now we are having angle XOP dash is equal to 180 plus theta. Okay. Draw PM perpendicular to XOX dash and P dash M dash perpendicular to XOX dash. Okay. Triangle OMP is congruent to triangle OM dash P dash. Now why they are congruent? Conditions. Angle MOP is equal to angle M dash OP dash is equal to theta. Angle OMP is equal to angle OM dash P dash 90 degree each. OP is equal to OP dash. Hence now we are having OM dash is equal to negative of OM. They have opposite sign. Then M dash P dash is equal to negative of MP. And we are left with OP. OP dash is equal to OP. Okay. Now, number 1. Sine 180 degree plus theta. Now sine 180 degree plus theta is M dash P dash upon OP dash. Now this is equal to negative of MP upon OP is equal to negative of sine theta. Number 2, cosecant 180 plus theta. Now this becomes OP dash upon m dash p dash, OP dash upon m dash p dash, this is equal to OP upon negative of MP, this is equal to negative of cosecant theta. Cos 180 plus theta. Now this becomes OM dash upon OP dash, negative of OM upon OP is equal to negative of cos theta. Number 4. Secant 180 plus theta. Now OP means hypotenuse upon the base. So we are having OP dash upon OM dash. This is equal to OP upon negative of OM, the negative of secant theta. Number 5. Tan 180 plus theta. Now this becomes now tan OM dash, sorry, MP dash, M dash P dash upon M dash O or OM dash. Now this is equal to negative of MP upon negative of OM is equal to tan theta. Here negative and negative cancels. We are having result as a positive. Okay. And number 6. Cot 180 plus theta. Now this is equal to OM dash upon M dash P dash. Negative of OM upon negative of PM is equal to cot theta. Okay. So what we got it? Here we get it. Result for this is negative. 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 So first 4 are negative and which are positive? Tan 180 plus theta and cot 180 plus theta. These are positive, and once again for the supplementary T ratios are not changed, only signs are changed. Okay, sin 180 plus theta becomes sin theta in the negative form. So remember, in the supplementary T ratios are not changing, in the complementary T ratios are